In today's video, I'm going to teach you This AI Helps You Learn Faster, how to use LearnLM in Gemini. Think of LearnLM as your personal learning coach inside Gemini. It's built to explain concepts clearly, quiz you, and help you plan study sessions in a way that matches your level and goals. I'll walk you through getting to it and how to get the most out of your prompts so you can start learning faster and more confidently. First, open your Gemini account. Use the Gemini website or the mobile app and sign in. If you're new, create an account so you can save your conversations and pick up where you left off across devices. Keep your login details private and remember that anything you type in a prompt should avoid personal contact information or sensitive data. Once you're in, click Gems. Gems are ready-made assistants tailored for different tasks, and they make it easy to jump straight into what you want to do. You'll usually find gems in the sidebar or a menu labeled Gems. Opening this section shows a gallery of specialized helpers, each with a short description so you can pick the right one without guessing. Next, click Learning Coach. This is the gem powered by LearnLM that focuses on tutoring and skill building. It's designed to guide you through explanations, examples, practice questions, and study plans, all in a supportive, step-by-step way. Opening Learning Coach puts you in a space that's optimized for education rather than general chat. Now, enter your prompts and wait patiently while it generates responses. The more context you give, the better the help you'll get. Try stating the subject, your current level, and your goal. For example, say you're learning a topic for an exam, want a simple explanation, prefer real-world examples, or need a short quiz after the lesson. You can ask for step-by-step reasoning, bite-sized summaries, visual analogies described in words, or a quick study schedule. If you have a deadline or time limit, include that too, and ask it to adapt the pace. Once you send your prompt, give it a moment to think. Complex requests may take a little longer. That's normal. If the first response isn't quite right, refine your prompt with specifics like use simpler language, show me the formula, or add 2 practice problems with solutions. You can also ask it to check your understanding by having you explain an idea back and get gentle corrections. That's it. Open your Gemini account, click Gems, choose Learning Coach, and prompt with purpose. With LearnLM guiding you, you'll learn faster, remember more, and feel more confident every session.